Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable color inversion shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on visibility enhancements. Then we go down and tap on color inversion. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, tap on color inversion shortcut. Tap on that to switch it on or turn it off. You can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcut to use. You got the tap accessibility button, which is this button right here. This will allow you to quickly tap on the shortcuts at the bottom, and from the shortcut menu you can toggle the color inversion screen on or off. Now you can also assign it to the volume up and down keys. Once you assign it, you need to press on it for 3 seconds. Press on both keys and hold it for 3 seconds, and that will allow you to see the shortcuts here. And from here you can tap on the color inversion button. Another way to do it is to assign it to the volume and the side key. So here I have assigned it to the side and volume up keys. So if I press on the side and volume up keys, then this will allow me to quickly bring up the menu, and from here I can turn on or turn off color inversion. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off or enable the shortcuts on your Galaxy S23 series. Finally, just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.